All right, welcome back to another daily video for December. We're talking about profitable books and profitable niches and gathering clues for success, right? This book makes anywhere from $22 to $29 a day. I'm getting this data from BookBeam. I have a coupon code affiliate link if you want it. Here's the great thing about this book is that it is a little bit bigger for kids, but they're leading with the feature of over 600 trivia questions. Let me tell you, with using ChatGPT and doing some proper research, you can make these books very fast. It's a matter of automating that, and ChatGPT can help you with that. I've done a couple of trivia books in October and got them in the mail and showed my kids, and it was actually really fun. I was more excited about it than my kids. So I'm working on that. Some of our favorite books, though, have been trivia books. So I wanted to make sure that you knew that this is a niche that does well and that you can build out something really unique and fun as you do your keyword research. Okay. So the features, which I always talk about, you need features in your book to be able to have the customer imagine the experience. Okay. So it's telling us that they can explore general knowledge, journey to outer space, entertainment, science, food and drink. They're just making this trivia book full of so many things, and that's why they're calling it the greatest trivia book of all time. Okay. And they're even building out an entire series. So while this book makes $29 a day, let's pop over to his 4 books and check out what he's doing. Now, he has more than one customer base with this. He's got a trivia book for teens, and he's got the greatest toilet trivia. This stuff sells, you guys. I don't even want to click on it, but I'm going to for my kids because, oh man, Captain Underpants, all that stuff. Okay. This one doesn't sell as well. It sells monthly, but not daily. Okay. But that doesn't mean that this book, it was a waste of time, right? That's the whole thing with Amazon KDP. It's on the biggest buyer's platform. So you literally get to publish and go, which is a huge, huge benefit because it's so low cost to publish. Okay. So this one makes $18 a day. So just between those 2 trivia books, we see that they're making about $60 a day. We don't even know what else this self-publisher does, but focusing on a niche like this will bring the customers back to Steve to buy more of his books, right? Looks like he is Australian. That's amazing. So coming in here, you can see, this just under $2 a day. This one, oh, I think those are Kindle. That's why it's showing up as less. So when you actually look at the paperback, he actually has more than one income stream because some of these are actually selling in different categories, right? Or sorry, different formats. So Kindle, this isn't doing as well, but let's look at the paperback, right? He has multiple income streams just from doing this. Okay. You can see here. It's only 7 months old. So be thinking of that. Be thinking about things that excite you. That's why I always tell people publish from your passions, publish from your purpose, publish from the things that you've overcome, because there is a chance that you will be able to help somebody else. Let me know how I can help you guys on your publishing journey. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you. Peace out.